What's going on, everybody? Got about 6 stocks on the watch list today. 3 of them setting up for an opening kind of trade play here. RKDA actually really starting to tear up here. I had 1880 as resistance a couple days ago. It hit this high, and just now pre-market catching up there. Problem is, I don't know what Lightspeed's gonna do to me here at the open. I'm really hoping it doesn't start lagging again. I'm about to find out here in 10 seconds. So far so good, I think. We got a high 1950. To 20. This thing's really gonna... Spread's getting a little crazy there. Yeah, that thing might just take off completely, and I'm not even gonna be a part of it. Well, that's fine, because I got some other shorts I'm looking at too. Spread doesn't look terrible. So if you got 84, maybe 40 cents, that's a circuit breaker. Oh, 500 is too big. I see 42.80s here. Looks like I might be seeing something. Alright then. Pretty bad entry. Take half off on a pullback. Seeing heavy numbers on the ask. Take half off. Yeah, I'm gonna take another half. Jeez. So he wants to drop 42 now. Wow. I'll stop at 42.50. Oh, jeez, might already be going there now. I took a lot bigger risk this one. I'm not gonna say it was entirely on purpose because I was kind of in a rush just to get into the trade, but I should be taking bigger size on these trades anyway. Because I mean, I've been on fire with these ones lately. They just haven't failed me. I've had no problems with these ones. So got a high of 40. I'll give it a chance to keep moving. Market is moving down right now. We're kind of turning around, so. This high's 25. If we start making a new low here. If not, looks like we are. That's just crazy. Still seeing big numbers all over the place. Bid and ask. Big on the ask. Alright, above 6 or above 70, I'll take another half. See, I better take it. 50 shares left. Now I gotta hide 41.70. That's a crazy move. Finally see the out, so that was pretty good. And a bunch of stocks that I had aren't really doing much of anything. I'm not seeing a lot of volume on anything besides SIG, really. Well, it wasn't a terrible entry, I guess. I need to stop thinking about it and find something else. Alright, I've been waiting to see this because WDC's had this crazy run up the past week. And then we just made this crazy shooting star, and then now I'm really waiting to see what it's gonna do today. I would expect to see, you know, something just like this. Market looks a little slow right now. We're really below the relative volume, but we're moving down. SIG really isn't. I don't want to short it again because this isn't one of my setups or anything. It could be a VWAP bounce if it gets back up to VWAP, but right now it looks like it really wants to go short again. We got these two big wicks. Right now, SIG is the only thing that's really in play. All the other stocks I got are just not. So this is it. SIG and whatever pops up on my volume scanner, I guess. This is interesting though, because now it's kind of making a bear flag. Right about now would be the time to get in. day. I have 41 as a resistance, or I guess support. I really like to see it come up to VWAP. I would short it up there. That everything's dropping except for Netflix. Netflix the only FANG stock that's not dropping. It looks like we're struggling. I don't know. There's no real sense in recording right now because if SIG isn't gonna really make any of my setups, then I'm not even gonna trade. I'm kind of just sitting here watching it. So until something else pops up. All right, I'm gonna be done. I'm up a lot of money, for me anyway, and not really seeing too much of anything else. I'm just gonna call it early. Only trade that I took today was on SIG. Pretty interesting scenario, I guess. I realized it was a circuit breaker pretty late into the trade. Tried to put in a market order right at the low of day over here at 84. Didn't get filled until about 76. But what I really noticed is that at the whole number here at 44 or 43, there was a huge bid, and I could just see him getting chipped away. You know, maybe a better entry would have been really at 43 as I saw. It was like 150 or something, and it just kept going down and down and down until, you know, finally gets to zero, and then once it got through, broke through pretty hard. So that probably could have been a much better entry, really. I mean, that's 30 cents on 400 shares, or 25 cents on 400 shares. That's an extra $100. So, I mean, that's just something to consider, you know, next time that kind of situation arises. Took half off of the profit target. I was risking about 40 to make 40, so didn't stick to my new thing of, you know, taking a quarter instead of half, because I realized that my position was probably, you know, in a lot of risk, really, and I didn't want to have it come back on me, you know, give away more than what I already thought I was going to get. So, I mean, I took a partial there, took another pretty quick partial in 10 seconds later, and then I just really waited for any more significant pullbacks to take off anything else, and I kept putting my stop above the recent candle high, and it just kept going for me. So up 228, really not much else. I guess I'll be back tomorrow. I am moving to Arizona. I'm leaving on Sunday, but I'm probably going to be trading on Friday for, I don't know, maybe another half hour or so, because I got to do some more, well, moving stuff. So, I mean, there's plenty of work to do. I mean, I want trading to be a priority, but I just got to get all this stuff moved over to Arizona, and then I can finally sit and I will have no other worries to worry about. I can just sit and trade until I decide to move out of Arizona, I guess. It's a pretty good day. I'll be back tomorrow.